Sirius Minerals' mineral transport system will carry mined polyhalite ore on an underground conveyor belt from the Woodsmith Mine near Whitby to the materials handling facility at Wilton International on Teesside. Tunnel boring machines will build a 37-kilometre long concrete-lined tunnel to create a transport system that is highly efficient whilst also minimising environmental impact. The first TBM enters the ground from a surface portal at Wilton. The site also contains the concrete segment factory, which manufactures the segments for the tunnel lining. The TBM at Wilton first travels down a 100-metre long pre-excavated section of the tunnel to reach solid rock. It uses hydraulic jacks to launch itself forward, lining the tunnel with concrete segments as it goes. Dozens of sharp cutting discs in the cutter head chip away at the rock, which falls into the machine and is carried away on a conveyor belt. Every few meters, the TBM pauses to install the concrete lining segments, which are transported down the tunnel via a service locomotive from the segment factory on the surface. The machine injects grout behind the segments to secure the tunnel lining to the rock. Once the segments are secure, the TBM pushes itself forward off the installed lining to continue cutting. At Woodsmith Mine and Lockwood Beck, the TBM must be launched from an underground cavern constructed below the surface. The TBM is lowered down a 360-metre deep shaft in sections to a cavern below, where it is assembled piece by piece and sent north to meet the machine travelling south. The final few metres are excavated normally to complete the tunnel. The machines are disassembled and the majority of parts taken back to the surface. The front shields, which are too big to be removed, are left in situ, forming part of the tunnel walls. The tunnel is then fitted out with the conveyor belt, capable of carrying up to 20 million tonnes of polyhalite ore a year at a speed of approximately 6.5 metres per second. The tunnel will also contain a maintenance railway, as well as power and telecommunications cables for the mine. The mineral transport system means that no polyhalite reaches the surface until the conveyor reaches Teesside, delivering a low-impact system that can operate efficiently for decades to come.